Hello traders, I welcome you to another trading week, and it's been nice time looking at the charts and trading together. So if this is your first time of chancing upon our videos here, this is Leading Forex YouTube channel. We also have a Telegram page which you can join for free. So at the description of this video you will find a link to join my Telegram page. We share signals there for free, so you can join and then you will be given signals over there for free which you can trade with. Now on this channel we have tutorials that we give for you to become a good trader and for you to know what is involved in the forex market. Aside that, we also have forex forecast, and with a forex forecast what we do is price action or technical analysis. Under technical analysis we have price action. So what we do here is technical analysis to tell you the direction of certain currency pairs in the coming week. So this is another forecast video, and we're going to look at NZDCHF, New Zealand dollar, and then the Swiss franc. So we want to look at this pair for this week. So when you see this pair, this is on the weekly time frame, and this is what it is on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame it has been on the up move for some months now. As you can see, it has been on the up move for some months now, but the general chart, if you look at the general chart, it's on the downtrend on the general chart. If you look at it from that angle, it is what on the downtrend on the general chart. This is what you see looking at the bigger picture. Okay, the bigger picture is on a downtrend, but when you look at the current movement in the market, one will say that yes, this pair NZDCHF has been on the up move. Now if this has been a bigger picture and on the bigger picture is on a downtrend, then one will agree with me that the point at which we are now looks like it is a point that we must see this trade going back down. Yes, it is at a point where we must see this trade going back down. If generally it has been on a downtrend, then we must see that happening now or any moment from now. So in this week we anticipate that this currency is going to go down. Now if you look at what we have seen here on the weekly candle, you will see a bit of a rejection, a bigger rejection of about 100 pips. If I wouldn't lie, it's almost about 100 pips rejection. Now why did we see this rejection? We saw this rejection because there was a resistance level here, and so traders thought that that resistance had been broken. Let me draw the line for you to see. So this was the resistance level here. So traders thought that this resistance had been broken because the candle made its way past that resistance level. So all traders assumed or thought that now that this resistance is broken, then the up move continues. But little did they know that before the week will end, even if I should go to the extreme of the resistance, little did traders know that before the week will close, this trade will come back with a big rejection. So we have seen the rejection of the upward movement. So seeing this rejection here tells us that we're going to see a downward movement. Okay, now this is on the weekly time frame. I would like to switch to the daily time frame for us to see the bigger and the nicer picture here. Now what do we see on the daily time frame? Just as I told you, everyone would have thought that if I should zoom in, you see it, this was the resistance level. So we had a break here. Everyone thought that, look, once this break has happened, then it means the up move will continue. But the next day candle, this is daily time frame, the next day candle equalized that break that we saw. So this was the rejection candle you saw on the weekly, if you go to the weekly time frame. And now after the next day we saw another bearish candle. This should tell you that we still have a downtrend to come, and this downtrend movement will have to come to a certain point here. Okay, we will expect to see something up to this level. All right, so currently we are on a down move for NZDCHF, and we expect it to come down to touch this level which was broken earlier. Okay, so looking at where we are and looking at the angle at which we are looking at this trade to come, then it means we have about 100 pips to catch, more than 100 pips, but at least we have an average of 100 pips to catch from this trade. Okay, so if I should go on the 4-hour, maybe you will see it clearer, so you can see the down move being slowly forming. So we expect this trade to come down and touch this level over here. So this was the level that was broken, and then the trade continued its way up. Now that it is making its way back down on the 4-hour level, we are not expecting it to end here. We expect it to come down to touch this level here, which we are all seeing here. So currently what we are seeing here, if I should zoom, what we are seeing here is this trade will have to continue. It will have to come and touch here. Now one will say that yes, there's a little resistance support here. There's a little support here. So yes, we had 3 candles showing another bullish momentum, so this trade will go buy. No, it's not going by. This trade will continue, and if it will go by, it must come and touch this level here, which we are seeing. So this is currently where we are for NZDCHF. So we have about 100 pips to catch from this trade. So NZDCHF is a sell. All right, NZDCHF is a sell. So if I zoom, this is what you will see. Currently this is what it is. So this is the first forecast I want to give you for this week. That is NZDCHF. All right, NZDCHF, we have a sell for NZDCHF. So the current price is 0.62475, 0.62475, and then we are looking at a TP of 100 pips, so it will be 0.61475. that is at most 100 pips will be okay. At most 100 pips will be enough, all right, for this trade. So this is the first currency. If you like what you are seeing, subscribe to this channel. This is forecast that we give you every week on this Telegram page and then YouTube channel. So if you want to see the analysis, it is this YouTube channel. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and expect more to come your way. The channel is always available. You can have all that you need on this channel. All right, so this is NZDCHF for you traders. There is another video coming, and that one will be on a different currency pair. So just subscribe and then be with us. Make sure that once we drop a video, you won't miss it, so that everything you need to do, you get to know what is happening in the market before you also take a decision or trade on your own. I'm your admin Kofi of Leading Forex YouTube channel and then Telegram page. You can join our Telegram page, and then you will see the signals and you will see how we are smashing the market. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you with the next video or on the Telegram page.